What's up guys, it's your boy John. We're back again here with another video. Today we'll be taking a look at an iDoing unit. We have a iDoing Android head unit that has CarPlay and Android Auto. So this is for the Toyota Corolla. So here's how the trim piece looks like. This is going to be for the Corolla for the 2014 to 2016, and it even might work with the 2018 if your trim looks very similar to this. So let's go into the unboxing. Now, I really do like this box. Ooh, it's good. I do get a lot of questions. People are like, hey, does this work with an Apple iPhone? Yes, it does. That's what CarPlay is. CarPlay is an interface where it works wired or wirelessly, and it pretty much syncs up the phone. So if someone text messages you, you'll see it on the car display, kind of like what you see on the newer cars. So obviously in 2014 or 2016, they didn't have that in the Corolla, but now you can add that. So we have the trim piece. I'm gonna put this aside and we'll take a look at it now later. Here we have something called everything's included. So everything you need in the install, you don't have to buy steering wheel control adapters or whatever, or extra wires. This is what's really great. So all in all, this is about $350. The price does vary, but from $300 to $400 is what you should be expecting to pay. This little CAN bus unit right here is really nice. I'll tell you what that is real quick. Let me just show you all the wires real quick. So this basically makes it so you'll still be able to have your AC and stuff show up on the display, your mileage if your car has it. I know that the Corolla, actually when you open your door, it'll now say, hey, your door is open on your actual head unit, and it show climate control, so that's awesome. This controls the radio antenna signal. This controls just basically the speakers, and you'll be able to use a USB. If your car, you know how some cars have a cigarette lighter or aux, this has a USB, so you'll be able to retain your USB without, fumbling it, moving it anywhere. So you'll be able to use your factory USB point. Microphone if you want. I usually don't do that, but you can add it. And then you have iDoing comes with extra mounting hardware and some prying tools. What these are is basically when you remove your card panels, they just give you some leverage, and they're made out of plastic so it doesn't scratch up your surface. More of these wires right here. You're looking at pretty much Wi-Fi antenna, because this unit actually has Wi-Fi, which is awesome, and it also has GPS. Here are some RCA jacks for basically if you're planning to put speakers and stuff. So that's really cool. Now let me show you the head unit itself. Oh. It is a pretty thick boy right here. But look at this, it's packaged really well. The foam they use is exactly cut out to fit the head unit, and it's not like one of those styrofoam, it's actually like the good foam. So I really like that. Let's put that aside. Oh wow, this is nice. So you got this massive display, it looks great. Check that out right there. So looks great. Let me take out the screen protector so you guys can see better. So yeah, this is actually real glass. It's not plastic. It is a touch screen, and wow, it looks amazing. Nice bevel corners. The bezels aren't too thick. You got your volume controls and stuff like that, and you'll retain your steering wheel controls. And if you're already asking, you'll still be able to use your backup camera too. So let me show you, that's the display portion, and let's show you the bezels real quick. So this bezel or trim piece goes around the head unit, which is really nice, because you know how if you ever buy an aftermarket head unit, like if you buy a Pioneer or something like that, you have a kit. This actually comes with this trim piece. This trim piece from it's super expensive, but it's included in this package. So when you think about the overall cost, sometimes if you want to buy a head unit from Pioneer, it might be $500. You have to buy the wiring, it's another $30. Get the steering wheel controls, that could be another $100. Then the install and all that stuff, and you got splice and stuff. This is a plug and play kit ready to go, and it'll fit so beautifully. So let me see, this is my first time doing this. Let me see how oh, look at that fitment right there, boom. You love to see it. Oh man, that actually felt really satisfying. Let me just do that one more time. See if you guys can get that. Ooh. Okay, it was really, from the other angle it was a lot better, but bam, look at that. Nice fitment, holy. So, I talked about having the mounting screws right here, so we just gotta screw it in. But let me, so these buttons right here, generally this is like an airbag light or like a hazard, so we're gonna have to move that stuff over there. But man, the gloss plastic, the gloss plastic, not plastic, is black and it looks really nice. I mean, that's just kind of how all modern cars are. They're going for that piano black. But wow, look at that. My oh my, that looks good. So this is the complete unit right here that you're gonna see. Everything's included. So yeah, I'm gonna install this one. It's gonna be great because, whew, my cousin has been wanting Apple CarPlay in her Corolla. So I'll be able to put that Apple CarPlay wireless or wired, depending on whatever she likes. Sometimes you want to charge your phone. Sometimes you just want to get into your car and then boom, have it on and ready to go. The reason why I like the wireless is it's kind of like Bluetooth. Like you just walk in, your car's already connected. But Bluetooth, the compression is pretty bad. Apple CarPlay sounds way better. So definitely that's something, it's higher bandwidth. Sounds way better. And you get your maps and stuff like that. So it's gonna be sick. So stay tuned for that install. Thank you guys for watching so much. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And also links down in the description on where you can get this. All right, see you guys in the next one. Peace.